In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in ClickUp. Let's get started right inside ClickUp. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your current profile avatar. Click that to open your account menu. This is where all your personal preferences live, so it's the quickest path to updating your profile. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you to your personal settings page where you can manage details like your name, time zone, and of course your profile image. We'll focus on the image options so you can make your account feel more like you. On the settings page, find and click Avatar. This opens the area dedicated to your profile image. You'll see your current avatar along with tools to update or customize it. Next, click your current avatar. That opens the editor where you can either adjust the default look or replace it with a photo. This is the hub for everything related to how your avatar appears across ClickUp. If you want a quick refresh without a photo, click Avatar Color. Choose a color that matches your style or your team's branding. This is a great option if you prefer a clean look or if you don't have a headshot handy. To use a photo, click Upload Avatar. Your computer's file picker will open. Select the image you want to use, then confirm the selection by clicking Upload. For best results, choose a clear, well-lit image, ideally square or close to square. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. A simple background keeps your avatar crisp and easy to recognize in task lists and comments. After the upload, you'll see the crop tool. Drag the frame to center your face or the main subject and use the zoom controls if needed. When you're happy with the preview, click Save to lock in the crop. Finally, click Save again on the profile settings page to apply your changes. Your new avatar will now appear across ClickUp on tasks, comments, notifications, and anywhere your profile shows up. It may take a moment to update everywhere, but once it does, your workspace will feel much more personal and polished. That's it. You opened your profile, went to settings, chose avatar, selected either a color or a photo, uploaded it, cropped it, and saved your changes. You can return to this same spot anytime to change the color, try a new image, or update your crop as needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed ClickUp profile.